Hola. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Sarfaraz. Educationwala. I am student of Rehan College, Munavar campus today, and today I am going to talk about a very important skill for student and young people: how to improve focus and concentration. Let's calm my and learn practical ways to stay focused and distraction and boost productivity. So let's go to Maya. Hello, Maya.
Hiya.
Hello, Maya.
Ah, good to hear from you again. What's on your mind today?
Maya, today we are discussing a topic that a very student struggle with improving focus and concentration. With so many distractions around us, staying focused is becoming harder. So, Maya, let's begin and help everyone understand how to build strong concentration skills.
Gotcha. Focus is a whole thing, right? Especially now. So, what part of building those construction skills, as you put it, feels trickiest? Is it starting, staying on task, or something else? Hey, everything all right? We're on me. You went quiet there for a sec. Just checking in. No pressure, of course.
No, no, Maya. My first question is Maya, what does focus and constra- concentration really mean?
Okay, fair. Um, let's start with the basics. When I think about focus and concentration, it's about intentionally directing your attention to one thing and, crucially, filtering out everything else. It's not about blocking everything out completely, that's exhausting, but more about gently nudging your brain back. You seem a little distracted yourself, actually. Is something on your mind? You don't have to share, but sometimes acknowledging that makes it easier to, well, focus.
Good, Maya. And my next question is why do students struggle with staying focused in today's world?
Oh, where to begin? Honestly, it feels like the world is actively conspiring. But seriously, I think a big part of it is just constant stimulation. We're bombarded with notifications, updates, endless streams of content. Our brains aren't really built to handle that level of input. Plus, there's a lot of pressure to be on all the time, which makes it harder to just be present. Does that land?
Good, Maya. And my next question is Maya.
Yep, lay it on
Uh,
me.
Maya, how does the environment affect concentration? Concentration.
That's an interesting way to phrase it. I think you mean, how does our environment affect our concentration?
Yes,
It's huge. Clutter, noise,
concentration.
temperature, colors around you can all play a role. A messy space often equals a messy mind, for example. And constant noise forces your brain to work harder to filter things out, which drains energy. It's about minimizing those distractions so your brain has more resources for the task at hand. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yes.
Still with
So
me?
Maya, my next
Sometimes it
question, what
helps.
habits can improve focus during study sessions?
Okay, good question. Lots of little things add up here. Things like time blocking, scheduling specific chunks of time for focused work can be really effective. Also, the Pomodoro technique 25 minutes of work, then a 5-minute break helps break things down into manageable bits. And honestly, just putting your phone in another room, it's surprisingly powerful. What do you think about those?
So, Maya, my next question: how important is sleep for better concentration?
You said he, but I'm guessing you meant sleep. It's massively important. Seriously underrated. No problem. It's not just about getting enough hours either. Consistent sleep schedule is key. Your brain needs that predictable rhythm to function optimally. When you're sleep deprived, everything feels harder and focus goes out the window. Getting enough? No need to answer if that's too personal, of course.
My next question is: how does screen time affect productivity and focus?
Ugh, screen time. The villain of the 21st century, almost. It's a bit of a double edged sword, right? Screens aren't inherently bad, but the way most of us use them, it's designed to be addictive. Constant notifications, endless scrolling, it rewires your brain to crave instant gratification, which makes it harder to focus on longer, more challenging tasks. Plus, the blue light messes with your sleep. It's rough. What's your relationship with screens like?
Maya, what role does mindfulness play in improving focus?
Mindfulness is kind of the antidote to all this screen-induced chaos. It's about training your attention to be present in the moment without judgment. Doesn't magically make distractions disappear, but it gives you the ability to notice them without getting carried away. Like you feel your mind wandering, you gently redirect it back to the task at hand. It's a skill, takes practice, but it can be really powerful for building focus. Have you ever tried any mindfulness exercises?
So, Maya, how do short breaks improve long-term concentration?
Okay, this is a good one. It seems counterintuitive, right? Like if you're struggling to focus, why would you intentionally stop? But those short breaks actually allow your brain to consolidate information and recharge. It's like letting your muscles recover after a workout. If you just push through, you'll burn out. Those little pauses prevent mental fatigue and actually improve your ability to sustain focus over longer periods. Basically, work smarter, not harder. Does that make sense?
Maya, how can someone handle our thinking and stay focused?
Ah, the $1 million question. When your thoughts start spiraling, it's usually a sign you're getting caught up in worries or self criticism. One trick is to acknowledge the thought, oh, I'm worrying about that deadline without getting sucked in. Just observe it, label it, then gently redirect your attention back to what you were doing. It's like watching clouds drift by. You notice them, but you don't jump on and go for a ride. Another thing that can help is journaling. Just getting those thoughts out of your head and onto paper can be surprisingly freeing. Does that resonate?
And finally, what practical steps should someone take today to improve their focus and concentration?
Okay, let's distill it all down. First, minimize distractions. Phone away, quiet space, clear your desk. Second, time blocking and the Pomodoro technique. Schedule focused work and take regular breaks. Third, prioritize sleep. Seriously, it's foundational. Fourth, mindfulness. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. And finally, be kind to yourself. It's a process, and you're going to have off days. Don't beat yourself. Haha, amen indeed. I have a feeling you're someone who really puts thought into this stuff. I was actually thinking about something I read recently, and it reminded me of you. Let me tell you about it. It's a book called
Thank you, Maya. Yes, yes, we are truly helpful. I hope everyone watching understanding the focus is not talent; it is a skill you will build with daily habits.
You're very welcome, Sarfaraz. And that's a great point. Really is a skill, and it takes consistent effort. Glad I could help, even a little. Hey, if you're ever feeling
So, to all my viewers, remember your mind becomes stronger when you train it is stay consistent, avoid distraction, and give you full attention to what truly matters. Small steps every day create big improvements. And if this video helped you, don't to forget like, share, and motivation, and others to stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep growing every day. Stay goodbye and take care.